Couplets.
Man's beard.
Man's beard.
A man's beard can be shaved.
Teenager's arm.
Teenager's arm.
The teenager has fallen asleep on his arm while studying.
Little girl's lips.
Little girl's lips.
The mother kisses her little girl on her lips.
Woman's waist.
Woman's waist.
The woman is twisting her waist continuously.
Man's beard.
Man's beard. Teenager's arm.
Teenager's arm.
Little girl's lips.
Little girl's lips.
Woman's waist.
Woman's waist.
Him. Sun.
I.
Him. Sun.
I. On. So.
Be.
People.
Little girl.
Little girl.
Little girl.
The little girl enjoys her ride on a pony. Teenager.
Teenager. Teenager. Teenagers can learn how to drive a car. Little boy.
Little boy. Little boy.
The little boy is taking a picture of his dog.
Baby.
Baby. Baby.
The baby is crawling on the lawn.
Little girl.
Little girl. Teenager.
Teenager. Little boy.
Little boy.
Baby.
Baby.
Book. Book. Cook. Cook. Pink. Pink.
Words end with K.
Duck. Sick.
Sock.
Walk.
Park. Mask.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That's right.
Little boy.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Let's try that again.
You did it!
Man's beard.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Good try. Try again.
That is right.
Teenager.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Fantastic.
Teenager's arm.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. Fantastic.
Woman's waist.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Awesome!
Baby.
Which one is?
So. That is right. Which one is I? Fantastic. Hooray! You finished the lesson! Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.